Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sign out YouTube account from all devices. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Remember, your account is linked to your Google account. To signing out here will also log you out of YouTube and all devices. Make sure you sign in to the correct account you want to secure. So, on the left sidebar, click Security. Then scroll down to the section called Your Devices. And here you'll see a list of all devices currently signed into your Google account, including phones, tablets, and computers. Then click Manage All Devices. Then for each device you don't recognize or want to remove, click the three dots on the right and select Sign Out. This will instantly log your YouTube and Google account of that device. If you think someone else accessed your account, it's best to change your password immediately. You can do it under the security section. Just click password and create a new one for extra safety. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.